welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Alicia and today I'm going to be doing a speed clean. I hope you like this video. I hope it motivates you to clean. It is currently early morning. It's about like 8:30, I believe. Baby is still sleeping, so fingers crossed I can get some things done while he is asleep. It just is one of those days where things were left, and today is the day to clean, so that is what we're going to be doing. We had a hectic weekend, just too much going on, and some things had to just be left. So I'm going to do the kitchen, the lounge. The floors need to majorly be done. In Brisbane this week we've had really rainy weather, and it's just been overcast today, rainy, and the kids had been in and out of the house with shoes, so we've got like Coco with his muddy paws everywhere, so I really need to get the floors done. So that is like my big thing I really want to do, but no pressure. I can only do what I can do while baby is anyway. I'm gonna get into cleaning. I'm gonna show you the before and the after, and it is very satisfying. So I hope you like this video, and yeah, let's get into it.
Here is a quick before. It is looking really messy. Like I said, the weekend has gone and we just left things as it is. Kitchen is super messy. Literally every surface has something on it. I don't know if this doesn't stress you out. It stresses me out just looking at it even. Lounge, the usual, the laundry, you know, life. It just happens to be like this every weekend. So I'm gonna get into cleaning. I like cleaning, like starting in my kitchen. I don't know about you. I feel like once my kitchen is done, my house automatically starts feeling nicer. I think because we have the biggest mess in the kitchen and it takes the longest. So I'm gonna get cleaning. I'm gonna play some nice music. I hope you feel motivated to clean. Let me know if you have any cool cleaning tips, because I always like learning. So yeah, let's get into it. is looking a lot neater. I have put away all the laundry and vacuumed the rug here, the carpet. And I'm going to do the rest of the floors with my Tinaco one where it mops and vacuums at the same time. But I've come into my husband's movie room. I thought I'll give this place a quick tidy up. Kids use it over the weekend, my husband uses it, and we hang out in here, so it does get a bit dirty. So I'm going to vacuum it. I think the boys had popcorn in here because there's some crumbs on the floor, and I want to vacuum it because I don't want Coco eating it. So yeah, let's get into it.